building a model truck, there are 4 pieces to the truck. So you need 4 pieces of paper seen here. Each part is made from 1 piece of paper. You have 2 wheels that are made the same way. You just fold it right here where there's a little bit of overlap, enough to be able to slide a stapler in and put 2 staples in each wheel assembly. You do this process twice. Right there. 2 pieces. 2 pieces of paper. You have 2 pieces left. One is the body. What I do is I take both sides, I'll fold them in a little bit to where there's just about a 1/4 inch of space in between. I'm going to fold right here and right here to make the size of the truck. So, as you can see, there's a little space about a 1/4 inch wide in the center. There's the body. Now, the cab is made the exact same way that you make the body. Careful to make sure that as you fold, that your cab will fit inside of the body. So, once again, I'm going to fold where there's about a 1/4 inch in between. So, body and the cab are identical. Now, what you're going to do is now you would assemble all 4 pieces. That is how you make each piece of the truck.